What's up, guys, and welcome to King Forex TV. My name is Angel. Welcome. So I was actually live not that long ago, but noticed that there was no audio when I went ahead and reviewed the video. So I went ahead, deleted everything from my charts, as you guys could go ahead and see, and I'm gonna go ahead and guide you and do the whole thing, do the whole thing all over. So what I was doing, what I usually do, I go ahead and I go to the weekly. Let's go ahead and set this up. So this is how I mark my charts. This is how I execute my plans. This is how I plan my entries. So I'm gonna teach you a little bit of what is it that I do? What's my process? So off the back, we're in the weekly. I go ahead and I already see an order block right here. And what I like to do is I like to see both sides of the markets. I like to see the buy opportunities and also the sell opportunities. I like to draw the fibs as well. I have another order block right here, right? And so this is pretty much the weekly. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go down to the daily. Now in the daily, I have a little bit more information, right? So the lower the time frame, the more candles there is. So right now I see this one right here, which is actually playing around with it. Boom. And also, let's say for example you're on a higher time frame, you go down to a lower time frame, you could actually go ahead and adjust, right? Like adjust your markups for better entries, better results. After the daily, well, actually I see another. This is little hidden structure right here. I see another one right there. Stretch this one out a little bit more, right? So now we're gonna go to the 4 hour. And where are we at? Okay, so to me right now it's making more sense to go ahead and go to the daily, right? So this is how I'm gonna mark up my charts. Look, check this out. I'm gonna set up alerts in all these areas right here that I went ahead and marked. But before I do that, I just want you guys to see how accurate the fibs are and how accurate like Pipsology FX is and Pipsology FX Plus is. This is insane. Watch, check this out. I did this in the live, but you guys couldn't hear it, so I couldn't go ahead and show you guys. But now I'm gonna show you right now. Look at this. So I'm gonna draw a bearish fib from this high to this low right here. And look at every place where I marked, it's to the T. Look, let me see. So we have the 89, we have the 70, which was hidden structure right here. Right now it's bouncing off the 50% fib, right? It's just insane. So if you guys want to go ahead, if you guys are brand new to this channel, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment. But we offer a free crash course in Forex, right? And then you guys could go ahead and reach out to me, Gustavo, Jonathan, and we'll go ahead and we'll get you, we'll send that crash course to you for free, right? And then you decide if this group is for you. Pretty much the thing is that we don't want your money, right? We just want people that are willing to go ahead and commit, that are ready to go ahead and take their trading to the next level. It's only $50 a month. $50 a month. I mean, for the value, look, you guys are seeing how I mark up my charts. You guys are seeing how accurate this is. You guys are seeing how I'm planning my trades. All of this I learned from the EDU. All right, so let's set up some alerts. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set up an alert right here. So usually I go ahead, add alert, I'm gonna add an alert right here too as well. I usually like to do it a couple pips below. The reason for it is because I know price is reaching to that certain level. So then once it reaches to a certain level, I know, ding, you know, I have to go ahead and look out for that. And then press right here. This is a premium right here. Premium. Talking about big pips. And what else? All right, so I drew up these and then I'm gonna go ahead, and what I do is I click every time, just due to the fact that sometimes the candles wick up, or sometimes price is just shooting up, retraces. So I'm gonna put this as actually a sell opportunity, touching the 50 fib. Oops. Touching the 50 fib. No, actually I'm gonna put this sell opportunity, bearish fib 50%. Oh, my bad. 50%. Boom. Then right here we're gonna go ahead and change it to every time, right? And we're gonna put sell opportunity touching the 70 fib. Boom. Then we're gonna go right here and we're gonna put sell opportunity. Premium, which is, I know it to me is the 89 fib. Save. So like I told you guys, I like to go ahead and draw the bullish and the bearish fib. Now we're gonna go ahead, like how accurate it's fibs again among fibs. But check this out. Once you start getting the hang of it, this thing is cake. Look, I'm gonna show you exactly why is it that price is having trouble right here. Look at this. Watch. If I draw a fib from this low to this high, where's it at? It's touching that 61 fib, right? Completion of a fib. So that's why it's struggling there. Now, is price gonna just shoot up? We don't know. Is it gonna reject? We don't know. The only thing, that's why I usually use lower time frames, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, to see the break of structure, to see how is it that the candles are, that price is reacting to it. I just don't enter just because, like, let's say I went ahead and put an alert here, I marked up this area, doesn't mean it, because I'm gonna go ahead and enter. I'm not. I need to see some type of confirmation, so do that. Look, now if we draw it to the most recent one, which is right here, like, here's a cool buy right here. Very important point of interest to me, right? Cause why? Because it's been supported here, it broke out of here, right? So to me, that's a very important price right there. Also the 61. So I could go ahead and put an alert here. Great continuation points. These are great continuation points towards the upside. So let me go ahead and mark these charts up right now. Boom. Add an alert. Boom. Add an alert. So let's go ahead and edit it. We're gonna put buy on gold, the bullish. Oh, my bad. It's not even the 50. It's actually the 38. And then I'm gonna do this one too. Buy. So right now I'm just putting it just like that, but that's usually what I do. I mark them. I go ahead and set them up, and I forgot to put every time. But the reason why I go ahead and put those messages on is just because it makes it easier for me, because sometimes I'm in meetings, sometimes I'm out and about, and I get the alerts. I'll get the alert, but if it doesn't have like a message or anything, like I don't know what it is, like what that alert is. Where is that alert from? Is it gold? Is it GBP, USD, GJ, Bitcoin, NAS, US30? I don't know. So that's why I go ahead and implement those notes in there to make it easier for me to go ahead and understand that. But right now, that's what I have. That's my plan. Hopefully you guys go ahead and kind of understand where is it that I'm coming from, how I'm marking my trades. But yeah, I mean, right now I'm up, I think, like 3,000 pips in this play. Like it's just insane. I actually have entries from this point right here. Boom. So let me go to the, let me see how many pips it's up. So I've had entries from here, and the thing is, I mean, I was just getting messages on our channel. 753. I have like four entries on that, and it's bare bones. It's like 0.10, but it's all I mean, I took a lot of profit already, and all of that is just partials. It's partials running, like, you know. So in Pipsology, we go ahead, they teach us that, how to partial and protect. I mean, you get the full course. I mean, there's more than 40 plus hours in education. So I mean, if you guys want to join the team, you guys are more than welcome. Like I said, it's $50 a month. We have a free crash course if you want to hit that up, and go ahead and see what Pipsology is about. You guys could go ahead, reach out to me, DM me. The links and the bios are going to be underneath this video. You know, I think in the live there was this guy Nick, and he was saying thank you for expressing and showing what is it that I do and how do I mark my charts up. And I mean, the goal right here is just to go ahead and show all of you guys how is it that I mark my charts, how is it that I came to be consistent with all of this. Because at one point, I mean, I had trouble. I mean, it was tough, you know. There was a lot of moments that I wanted to quit, but I didn't, because I mean, I love doing this. I always loved it. Like when I was a little kid, I loved going to Wall Street. I loved looking at how is it that works. I had no clue, you know. I mean, I'm from the Bronx, little kid, you know, and I mean, it's amazing that all those dreams that I had now are becoming reality. You know, they're part of me. It's a part of my everyday life, and it's amazing. It's fulfilling, you know. And what's more fulfilling, it's sharing everything that I know to you guys. If I could help in any type of way, I mean, trust me, I will go ahead out of my way and help you guys, you know. I mean, the technicals is the easy part. I mean, it's easy to mark up a chart, but what's hard is the psychological part, you know, entering your trade. Once that price gets to your designated zone, that's when it's tough. That's when when you're like, oh shit, okay, it got there. What do I do now? What do I wait for? And just wait for your confirmation. Don't just jump into a trade. Don't just go ahead and just because the price got to this area, just to this area, you're gonna be like, oh, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and sell, or I'm gonna go ahead and buy. No, it doesn't work like that. Wait for confirmation. I mean, like me personally, I go to the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes to go ahead and get those sharp, crisp entries. And I mean, if you go to the team, I mean, a lot of people are getting those crisp entries, those sniper entries that at one point of my career, at one point of me starting in the group, those were like insane entries. To me, it was like, what the hell? How is it that they get those entries? How is it that, like, do they have some type of insight, or they're working with some type of people that, like, how is it, like, it's impossible to get those type of entries? But it is, it is possible. And now I'm in that other side where I'm seeing profits, where I'm seeing like right now 3,000 plus pips on gold alone last week. Like, it's just insane, and all of that I owe it to Gustavo, Jonathan, the Pipsology FX family. And I mean, it's just an amazing community with real traders, well, real people, real profits, and it's good, it's good. I highly recommend it. And I mean, the whole goal, like I said, is just to help out people in their trading career, because I know it's not easy, it's tough, and it's just me sharing a little bit of my life, of my trading career. And yeah, don't be shy to go ahead and reach out, because I remember at one point I was shy to reach out. I was that guy that I was like, fuck, like, am I gonna ask a stupid question? But the only stupid question is this question you don't ask. So go ahead, reach out, don't be shy. I'm here to help, I'm here to guide in any sort of way. It's all about helping each other, helping each other grow. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, even if it's a negative comment or even if it's a constructive comment. Like, I love those type of comments because it can only make me grow. I'm starting to get comfortable making these YouTube videos and all of that. So I mean, it's only going to help me get better, and it's going to help me provide better content for you guys. So like I said, subscribe, leave a comment, share, and have a great rest of your week. We already seen the setups on gold that I have. I'm gonna go ahead and share these setups in my trading view. You could also go follow me in trading view. But yeah, have a great rest of your week. Enjoy your night. It's 8:35 in Cali time and Pacific time. I think East Coast is 11:35. But like I said, have a blessed night, and we out.